Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 4500 starting watt portable gas generator stands out as a reliable power solution for both home backup and recreational vehicle (RV) use. With its robust design and impressive performance, this generator is ideal for those seeking peace of mind during power outages or needing a reliable energy source while camping. One of the notable features of this generator is its powerful 4500 starting watts and 3500 running watts, making it capable of handling essential appliances such as refrigerators, lights, and small power tools. Whether you're facing an unexpected blackout or enjoying a weekend getaway, the Generac generator ensures that you won't be left in the dark. The 8-gallon fuel tank provides an extended runtime of up to 15 hours at half load, allowing users to enjoy uninterrupted power for an extended period. The generator's ease of use is another significant advantage. It features a user-friendly control panel with clearly labeled outlets, making it accessible for both seasoned users and beginners. The inclusion of a foldable handle and durable wheels enhances portability, allowing you to transport it effortlessly wherever needed. Additionally, the generator's compact design means it can fit into a variety of spaces, whether in a garage or your RV's storage compartment. Noise can often be a concern with generators, but the Generac model operates at a relatively quiet level, ensuring minimal disruption whether you're at home or in a campsite. The built-in low-oil shutdown feature adds an extra layer of safety, protecting the engine from damage and prolonging its lifespan. In terms of value, the Generac 4500 starting watt portable gas generator delivers excellent performance for its price point. It strikes a balance between power, portability, and reliability, making it a worthwhile investment. For anyone in need of a dependable generator for home backup or recreational activities, this model is certainly worth considering.